Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'm going to share a simple recipe for homemade double chocolate cookies. Supermarket bakery cookies are convenient, but like most prepared foods, they have been supersized. One cookie has about 350 calories, about the same as eating 3 small cookies from this recipe. One of the advantages of homemade cookies is avoiding the chemical additives and preservatives in prepared cookies. Although this cookie has no nuts, it was processed on equipment that processes peanuts and tree nuts. To make 36 to 48 cookies, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, about 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use the regular size, miniature, or as I'm going to use in this recipe, a combination of the two. 3 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, or if you like mint and chocolate, you can substitute part of the vanilla with mint extract. 10 tablespoons of butter, margarine, or shortening. When using butter, allow it to soften at room temperature. 1½ cups of packed brown sugar and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Prepare baking sheets by lining them with parchment paper or lightly coating with nonstick cooking spray. For conventional ovens, place your racks in the center of the oven. For convection ovens, position them in the top, center, and bottom. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium bowl, place the flour, cocoa, and baking powder. Use a whisk or spoon to combine the ingredients. In a large bowl, add the sugars and softened butter. Using a hand mixer on medium to high speed, mix the butter and sugars until uniform in color and texture. Add the eggs and the vanilla extract. For this recipe, I'm using 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of mint extract. Mix in the eggs and extract on medium to high speed until you have a mixture that's uniform in texture and consistency. Add the flour cocoa mixture and use a mixer on low to medium speed or a large spoon to combine until no white specks are visible. Scrape the sides of the bowl if necessary. After incorporating the flour and cocoa into the mixture, add the chocolate chips. Mix the chips into the batter by hand or using your mixer. At this point, you can cover and refrigerate the dough about 60 minutes to shape into balls for more uniform cookies, or drop the dough on your prepared baking sheets about 2 inches apart to prevent sticking. Bake small cookies about 10 minutes and large cookies about 12 minutes or until the edges are set. The centers will still be soft. Cool the cookies about 10 minutes while still on the baking sheet and then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. If you're using parchment paper, you can slide the paper with the cookies onto your cooling racks. 1 small cookie, the size shown, has about 115 calories, 45 milligrams of sodium, 11 grams of added sugar, and 1 gram of protein. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.